Welcome to Watercolor Gathering Iris with Spatter number 2. This is a painting that I had originally started in a workshop I had given, but I had already painted one of them previously and it had sold. So I needed to complete this painting, and this is about completing the painting. And here's the reference photo that I originally used for this painting. And as you can see, that I had done some of the painting in my class, but I needed to add some more flowers. And here I am using my round brush with a nice point and putting in smaller flowers, all different size flowers, or some of them are just coming out bud and some of them are just buds. And just randomly putting the flowers and buds all over the painting. In this particular version of the painting, the flower in the center is a little large, but that's okay. I'm adding some darker color to the center of that, and then adding some more flowers. And this is all done with Windsor Newton paint, watercolors. And I had added the grass. The grass is a mixture of Hooker's green light and cadmium yellow. And then I mix some purple in with the Hooker's green light to create that darker shade. And I'll be adding some more to that in a while. And here I'm wetting that center flower and just feathering it out so it's not so prominent. And then with some Hooker's green light and the purple mixture, which creates a really nice almost black or gray. Anyway, this is a dark green, and adding some leaves and the stems to the flowers so that they have some grounding to them. And their stems can end behind some of the leaves in the foreground as well. And there I am putting in some darker leaves. And I'm using a script brush to do that. It's got a long bristles, and it holds a lot more paint than my rigger brush. And now that I've done with the stems and the leaves, I've loaded my round brush up with purple, and I'm spattering it over the top part or over the purple part of the painting. And then I will load it up again with the darker mixture of the green and the purple, and just spatter that over the bottom of the painting. And here's the finished painting. I'm quite happy with it. I don't like it quite as much as my first rendition of it, but it's pleasing. So anyway, there you go. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully it was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Leave any comments that you might have below. Thanks a lot for joining me.